Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own stunning feather hat. We begin by dyeing our hat material. I will be using paper mat here, but you can use whatever material you wish, cinnamon, straw hat or any other material. Boil some water, put in your dye. Half a pack to a liter of water is sufficient. Pour the dye into the water and stir so nothing settles. Fold the material and dip it into the dye. Make sure it is fully submerged. Then spread to dry. Put your mold in a polythene bag, tie the bag and apply oil-based cream over the polythene bag for ease of removal when dry. Begin to block your mold. Block at 4 points first of all and continue to insert thumb pins around the crown. Ensure you pull tight before pushing in your thumb pins. As you see me do here, I'm blocking the crown. Now blocking the crown is quite different from blocking the brim. You need to pull tight and fold at the 4 corners. Fold and make it overlap and pull tight to ensure it's neatly done. Next, repeat the same for the brim. You want to put your brim into the polythene bag and apply oil-based cream on the polythene bag for ease of removal when dry, and then block at 4 points and continue to insert thumb pins all around the brim. There's the finished crown and the finished brim. Next, you want to mix your stiffener with little amount of water. Make sure it's not too thick or too thin. Then brush on with a brush. Ensure you apply the stiffener to the edge of the brim at the other side. Repeat the same for the crown and let them dry completely. When dry, remove the thumb pins with the aid of a scissors and cut away the excess material. Cut the steel wire to the exact circumference of the brim and use a sewing thread to fasten the ends so that they overlap slightly. Tack the steel wire to the brim using overcasting stitches to hold it in place. Using a circular object as a guide, mark out an inch before the edge of the brim using a tailor's chalk. Cut out the shape and cut slits from the inner part of the circle to the edge of the hat brim. Raise the slits and sew the Petersham to the edge of the brim. Sew the Petersham to the cut slits from the inside. This forms the sweat band. Cut the slits a little. Attach the crown to the brim by sewing the cut slits to the crown. Tack from the inside. There, it's finished. Now tack the feather at the side of the hat. That's the feather, 2 yards of feather, fluffy feather. Tack it to the side of the hat. And use the Uhu Glue to adhere the rest of the feather across the circumference of the hat. Glue the sweat band to the crown to cover the stitches. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe,